welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we're going to be organizing our closet. We just got a new dresser a few days ago, and it was time for us to organize the dresser. We're also going to do a lot of laundry because we had boxes from when we moved, and the clothes in the boxes needed to go in the closet and in the dresser. I hope you guys enjoy this video and it motivates you to get organized and do lots and lots of laundry.
Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm sitting a little high on you. Still a little high on you. For so long, I've been thinking that we're more than just friends. Oh yeah. Oh, but maybe your heart is falling for someone else. Whoa, maybe we should talk for a minute. Then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm sitting a little high on you. Still a little high on you. I think that we need a guiding light. Right now we're running around in circles. But if you don't even wanna try, I need to know it. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm sitting a little high on you. Still a little high on you. On you. Yeah. Still a little high on you. Yeah.
It actually took us 2 days to get this video done because of the amount of laundry we had to do. And since I was working, Ada finished the rest of the organizing.
I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really
video today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us tackle our disaster closet. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.